How to use scale command in AutoCAD. Today we are learn about scale command. I have this door is 200 mm, but I want to this door is 850 mm. So I want to this door 850 mm. So I want to is change the scale. First of all, I will select the command on draw panel and I will select shortcut key from keyboard S, C, then press enter from keyboard, then select the object, which object you want to scale. I want to this door is, so I will select this door, then right click from mouse, then specify the base point. I will select from here, then second you give the reference R press from keyboard, then enter. I have reference this 200 mm and I need to this one is 850 mm. You see 850 mm. Again I give the second point 850 mm. Now this one is good. You see it's coming. So now you see this one is coming 850 mm. I will select and move. Use a move command. Then I will select here and you see this one is here accurate of this door. So this is the use of scale command. Thank you.